to a bull's funeral in Tamil Nadu in a major breach of Section 144 and every other coronavirus rule that has been imposed on all of us in this country. You should see what happened in a village outside Madurai in Tamil Nadu. You know Jallikattu, you remember the bull taming ritual. Well, a famous iconic bull of the ritual passed away yesterday. And then they held a funeral to bid that poor bull farewell. Except that thousands emerged throwing social distancing to the wind. Take a look. A ceremonial procession in the season of COVID-19. No face masks, no social distancing, and zero regard for the Prime Minister's nationwide appeal. This huge crowd in Tamil Nadu's Muduvarpatti village has gathered for the funeral of a temple bull. You remember the ceremonial bull taming festival, Jallikattu? The bull named Mulli was a famous local Jallikattu icon, and that's why people from across the district arrived in such huge numbers to pay their respects. Mulli died on Wednesday morning. Its remains paraded through the village before the final rites. All through the stretch, the crowds followed. Not only is this event a gross violation of Section 144, but virtually every other rule imposed to contain the spread of coronavirus. An FIR has been registered against the people who conducted the bull's funeral.
The bull's funeral takes place in a state that has over 1,200 COVID-19 cases. And the EPS government is fighting an uphill battle to try containing the situation in the state.
Jallikattu, earlier banned as you remember, saw a comeback after massive protests on Chennai's Marina Beach back in 2017. The huge public movement forced the state and then the centre to issue an ordinance allowing Jallikattu to be performed again. It has since continued with great popularity. But the question now is, can safety be sacrificed at the altar of popularity and faith? Can India afford even the slightest such misstep? With Akshayanath in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.